this is Catherine Parker and I want to show you around my room. I'm at the Grand Adirondack Hotel. I'm in Lake Placid, New York. This is room 617. It's on the 6th floor. Let's take a look. Coming in off of the hall, we've got this great little beverage center with coffees and creamers. I love the mugs here. And show you this. It's a mini fridge. And what I really liked about it was this grill on cabinet. It's kind of cool. So it has in-room coffee. And here is the bathroom. Got some nice heritage details like the floor, the sink. It's beautiful. We have signature glassware. Makeup mirror, vanity mirror, sconces. Other toiletries. I have a glass enclosed shower, subway tile. Take one. And there's our toiletries. Golden pepper, warm oak. Sounds good. Got a large shower head. Stay in the room. This is actually a 2-room. Got some storage there. Large screen television. Then we've got, this is a sitting room, so that's a pull-out sofa. Of course, we have woodland and wildlife art throughout. And in the room comes some Saratoga water. I love the water because it's got this amazing blue glass bottles. We've got a Windsor chair. And for the bedroom portion of it, it does close off. The pair of doors, which is nice. A king bed. It's simple, but it's really very elegant. Large television. We have a dressing mirror. So let me show you that. I just found this. So we got a couple of drawers here. And that's the in-room safe. And then underneath, this is just another storage area. And then here is this cabinet, and that's where I found the ironing board and iron. So it overlooks the town. It's nighttime right now, so you can't really see that much, but I'll show you the view later. And I've got this rail over here. I was thinking that maybe you could put stuff on it to dry if it's a little damp. There we go. Pair of sconces. And then this is hanging storage. So because this room technically doesn't have a closet, so it has this that's hanging storage, and then that over there, it's got your ironing board. So one thing I did not find was USB charging ports next to the bed, so make sure you have your cube. And there is the mirror. Got some art. Again, this is room 617, and I'm in the Grand Adirondack Hotel in Lake Placid, New York. I wanted to show you my view from my room. This is room 618, and it's about 4:30. It looks like they might be having like a hockey tournament or something over there on the ice. And over there are people skating.